Hi, I'm Girl with Heart Liana, and since we're getting ready to go back into the school year, today I thought it'd be fun to make DIY stress balls, which will help you throughout the school year. There are many ways to make stress balls, but my favorite two ways are using either like a powder-like substance, which I'm using maseca or your typical flour, and gel beads. So the first stress ball consists of gel beads. So first you will need some fully grown gel beads, of course, a water bottle in which we will use as a funnel, a mixing bowl, balloons, and optional a marker or something to decorate with. Step 1. Place your gel beads into a water bottle. Step 2. Blow up a balloon. Then twist it. Step 3. Try to get all of the beads into the balloon after you twist it. Then slowly unleash the balloon and let the air out. Then tie it and decorate. For our second stress ball, which consists of a powder-like substance such as flour, but I'm using maseca, a bowl, a water bottle to use as a funnel, balloons, a marker to decorate with, which is optional, and scissors. Step 1. Cut your water bottle to make it into a funnel. Step 2. Attach your balloon. Step 3. Fill with powder. Step 4. Tie your balloon. Step 5. Cut another balloon and overlap. This creates a more protective barrier. Last, feel free to decorate or leave it solid. I hope this video inspires you to make your own awesome back-to-school stress balls. Thanks so much for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe to Justice for more cool videos. Bye!